boys, last one for now. Got this in the post a couple of days ago. It's quite a cool little thing. Got a weather guard shutter on it. The thing is though, it's that bloody small. I had to break out the Go Soap because one of the hooks is so small that it does the right job with this thing. It is one of those that you can just rake to a false set. First thing, there you are, false set. And then find the binding pin, which on this I think is the second. Where are you, little? I got it. Right. Oh, fuck it, start again. There you go, full set. Get up there, you little fucker. There we go. Quite like that. Oh, better put it back. All locked up. Yeah, I still like that. The next video I wanted to do is that 6540 40mm Alice. I've been playing with it for a while now, but it is a bastard. Look at that for a bit in. Ooh. High, low, high, low, fucking mountain range. So if I can master it, I'll try and get it on film. Cheers, guys.